Welcome everyone. Today, let's talk about the legal repercussions of stealing items from a vacant property. I'm Anthony Ray, one of the attorneys here at Ray Law Criminal Defense, where we believe it's critical to educate all on the legal impact of their actions. Now, if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out our other videos. Let's talk about the law, the legal procedure, and the facts for today. In Southeast Michigan, it is common to come across vacant property. It is also common for people to enter and explore the vacant property. In November, workmen in Oakland County returned to a vacant house where they were performing a construction job. When they returned to the vacant house, they discovered that their tools were stolen, just gone. The stolen tools were valued at $650. In this case, there are many crimes that have been committed. Let's find out what they are. The first crime up is entering without breaking. You heard me, entering without breaking. In Michigan, it is illegal to enter a premise without forceful entry with the intent to commit a felony or larceny. The term larceny is used for crimes involving theft. That is, when an individual takes another person's property without permission for their own use. Even though the property was vacant, the property is still a structure or building. Under Michigan law, if an item is removed from any building without permission, including a vacant home, then you will be found guilty of a felony. You don't even need to have removed the item from the vacant property to be found guilty of entering without breaking. As long as you have the intent to remove the item, then it's enough to be considered a crime. Next up, larceny. The tools that were stolen were valued at $650. The value of the stolen goods really does matter. This is because the value of the stolen goods determines whether you will be charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. Whether or not the offense is a misdemeanor or a felony will depend on the monetary value of the stolen property. In this case, because the stolen tools were valued between $200 and $1,000, the person could be found guilty of a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail or a $2,000 fine or 3 times the value of the stolen property, whichever is greater. In short, here are the main takeaways. First, avoid this problem by not stealing. Think twice before you remove any item from an abandoned or vacant property. Consider also the value of the stolen property as it determines whether you are charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have a criminal defense attorney involved in your case to fight for and protect your rights. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the protection and knowledge you need to get your life back on the right track. Continue to take care of yourselves and each other. We'll see you next time.